Hey guys, interested in Swiggy INSTAMART free gift? Let's check out. Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all happy, smiling. अब कैसे हो? नल्ला इरकिंगा? Hama. This is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. As you see in the picture, we have recently placed an order on Swiggy INSTAMART and we have got a free gift. As you see in the picture, some of the international fruits are available on Swiggy INSTAMART. You can check out. They're at 50% off. Okay, let me tell you, whenever you're placing an order exclusively fruits on Swiggy INSTAMART, you can get 30% off on your checkout. Of course, I'll tell you a coupon also where you can apply at the checkout and you'll receive 50 off on your order value. Okay, as you see in the picture, this is pears. As you all know, this is an international fruit and this is at 50% off right now. You can go check it out, and in the later part of the video also I'll show you as how you can pick international fruits. See how they are they not fresh? Yes, you can have one. As you all know, pears is a healthy fruit. It's good for everyone. It tastes just like apple. As shown in the video, you can cut across, de-seed and have it. See how fresh it is. It is crisp fruit. You can have this crunch in your evening times, right? It's a sweet fruit. If you want to taste more of international fruits, you can check out my video in the I button and screen and description box, because I have made all the international and national fruits together, a video. Now here comes the Swiggy INSTAMART free gift. As you see in the picture, this is Swiggy HDFC bank credit card. As you all know, you have got a lot of benefits, which I'll tell you in the later part of the video. As for now, we'll scratch and see what is the free gift from Swiggy INSTAMART into your wallet. As you see in the picture, let's scratch and see what is the free gift of Swiggy INSTAMART. Here comes, wow, this is absolutely amazing, 500 rupees Swiggy money voucher. Isn't it interesting to have benefits plus voucher, right? If you want one, you can go to Swiggy app. You can click on profile icon. As you see in the picture, you can click on Swiggy HDFC bank credit card and apply. And here comes all the benefits. You have benefits of 42,000 rupees every year. That is split into 3 areas where you can get 10% cashback on every order you place on Swiggy Food, INSTAMART, Dine Out. And you have 10% cashback on your online shopping. And exclusively you have free membership of Swiggy One. You can enjoy that for 3 months. Last but not the least, you have 500 rupees Swiggy voucher freely credited. You can enjoy that while placing your order. Now we'll see how to apply the coupon when you're going for Swiggy INSTAMART order, right? As you see in the picture, go to Swiggy, click on INSTAMART. Once you click on fruits. You can scroll down and see what are the international fruits or national fruits that are available at discount. You can add to the cart by clicking on add button as shown in the picture and go to cart. Here you see sample credit card is added to your cart. You can scroll down and apply this coupon. As I told earlier, welcome back 50. Click on apply as shown in the picture. Once you apply, you will get 50 off. And once you get that 50 off, you can check out and place your order. That's all done. Okay, do enjoy Swiggy INSTAMART order by applying the coupon and enjoy the savings. Plus, if any of you want HDFC credit card to enjoy cashback benefits, membership benefits and Swiggy voucher, you can go and check the link in the description box and click on that to apply HDFC credit card. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling.